Today, we're going to learn all about vegetables. The first vegetable is an orange carrot. See, now 2 pieces of carrot. The next vegetable is corn. It's yellow and green. The next one is a red pepper. Red pepper. The next vegetable is purple. Purple eggplant. I'm going to cut the eggplant in half too. Don't forget, when you eat your vegetables, green broccoli. Cut the broccoli in half. Now we have a green pepper. And we'll cut the green pepper in half. The last vegetable is yellow and white. It's iceberg lettuce. Come back next time and we'll count the numbers.